You're listening to Mr. Ibek's podcast. And by the way, sorry for a bad episode that I published yesterday because, at the time my mood was too low and not as good as it today. So today we're going to discuss some articles that I've read recently about neuroscience. Neuroscience is too complicated thing to talk about. However, I actually intended to talk about that thing because I love neuroscience. I've got many teachers. I've got many mentors in terms of neuroscience. For example, Andrew Huberman or Rob Dial. All of them are very good and experienced teachers that could teach me anything that I wanted. So I learned a lot of things in terms of neuroscience, and today I'm gonna share those informations with you. So in order to be much more useful for me, just like the video and subscribe to our channel because if you don't subscribe, then you might miss our next episodes, and that wouldn't be good. So when it comes to neuroscience, everybody start thinking about our brains. Yeah, it's actually related to brain. However, there are other things related to neuroscience, additional things. For example, human behaviors. Yeah, this is what today I'm going to talk with you. Human behavior. There are a lot of behaviors in human beings, and one of them is, which I most adored, is um, ideo. Oh, I can't remember. Iconicals. I don't know exactly. So those kind of behavior, that kind of behavior could be seen on successful people mostly, because successful people could think differently from others. So that's what I read from that article on that article, because that article was about successful people. As you know, I'm really interested in successful people and their lifestyles. And today, it's a big honor to talk about them. As you know, so successful people's secret is that they think differently. Everybody thinks something that's impossible. Impossible is the term that everybody uses every day. However, for successful people, it is possible. They just eat the two letters I and M. I and M. Not impossible, it's possible. Yeah. So possible is their motto. It's a great motto for successful people, and they always do anything without without frightening. Don't you know? As you memorize, if you can memorize correctly, if you can remember correctly, we also have other podcast in the past that I've published recently. If you haven't watched that yet, I would actually recommend you to watch that episode, because on that episode I've talked about a lot of things which are related to today's topic. So on that episode, I mentioned that successful people don't think about anything, and they just do it. They just do it. They don't know whether it's possible or impossible. They just do it because it's their job to do anything to become successful. Then they become successful. They're no one. They're no one compared to other human beings. They're not aliens. They're also humans, but they are successful. Only successful. They know what to do. They know what to do with anything. They know how to do everything correctly without thinking about other kind of advices that comes from other people or their conscious. We have got our conscious or unconscious, which tells what to do, but successful people don't listen to that things, and that's why they become successful. So that's what I got it to you for today's episode. If you like this, if you loved this video, I hope you will like this video and subscribe to our channel in order to see a lot of episodes like this. Yeah. it's a little bit brief episode, brief video, because I'm not old enough to make 1 hour or 2 hour podcasts. So if I if you continue, if you bear with me in the future, I might do 2 hour or maybe 4 hours maximally podcasts, and we will maybe we might meet in the future on 2 hours long podcast. So that's it for today, and so bye.